Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Bruno from RVing TV, and we have something super exciting today for you. We are at the Keystone Pavilion, specifically the Montana trailer area. This is a 3531, something new, exciting, and different for us, a patio model. And we've been graced by Nick from Montana Keystone RV. He is going to give us a demonstration of this actual patio. You've got to see it, and then we'll do a full walkthrough on the unit. So Nick, thank you very much. Take it away, it's all yours.
Thank you, Bruno. So this is our 3531, as you mentioned. We introduced this floor plan last year. It was a great seller. What it had before was just two big windows on this wall that led back to your L-shaped sofa rear entertainment. However, this year we want to introduce something a little bit different and do a true full patio on this side. It's something our viewers and our customers have been asking for a long time. So this is actually a powered ramp door that comes off to the side. So you have a true little Romeo and Juliet balcony that sits here. So it has a pull screen that will pull and latch when you want to lock it into place. But ultimately, this is all powered. So as you see it down now, if I run this power up, it'll be a little bit loud, but this will go all the way up, and that glass actually turns into your window on the side. So this runs all the way up, all powered, so you don't have to do anything on manual as you go up, but all power, slides in, and then as I mentioned before, this glass becomes your window. And then it can lock into place.
That is nice and super slick. And now I understand this is the prototype that we're looking at.
Yep.
I know viewers are probably going to ask right now, that's a clear glass, but I understand that's going to be the blackout glass like the regular windows have. So there's lots of privacy if in case any of our viewers are inquiring about that. This is slick. I think this is going to be a massively big seller. So, thank you very much. Now for our viewers, this is not in production yet. You're seeing a pre-production model prototype. It's slated to go into production in December. So you want to get out to your Montana dealer, talk to them, and get a pre-order in if you want to be one of the first in the campgrounds, so that when you put this patio out, everybody goes, oh my God, look at that. So thank you very much,
Thanks,
Nick.
Bruno. Appreciate it.
You viewers, hang on. We're going to do a full walkthrough. We bring you fantastic RVs, detailed walkthroughs, upgrade tutorials, parts reviews, and even some automotive content. This is RVing TV. Hey everyone, so we're going to take a full walkthrough here. First, I thought I'd show you in general the nice large pass-through storage space, because that's really important. As we come inside, beautiful fifth wheel, we've got Furrion fridge, right? Nice large fridge, all residential style, nice deep drawers. We also have ourselves nice large pantry storage here behind sliding doors with power outlets. Larger oven with storage below, 3 burner tops, residential style. We've got ourselves our convection microwave, so you can actually be cooking 2 different parts of your meal at the same time. Really like this U-shaped style kitchen because it's very convenient for prepping. Gives you lots of storage space down below the sink, and as you can see, the extra portions of the sink to work with. So you can really have a great time, be away on the road for a while, and enjoy and really look after your family well. As we move our way into the living room, we have this massive L-shaped sofa to entertain with, TV on a televator, so when you don't want to be watching TV, drop it down. We have the massive window right behind it. Of course, we have our home theater and our fireplace, but I really like the slide out with, I'm going to call it a breakfast nook here, but also would be a great workstation. I know when I'm away shooting these videos, would be a great spot to have a laptop, a printer, Wi-Fi router if it's needed, or most of the units now are Wi-Fi ready. Drop a SIM card into your antenna and boom, you've got internet connection wherever you go. But this is a great feature, especially if you're working away from home. Now, something to note as well are the built-in blinds, so that you have night shade and day shades. on them, that they're integrated into the windows. So now you can have that wood frame really intricate in the way it's set and put together. Now, as I pan up, of course, we have a ceiling fan, move around some of the air in the warmer weather. Also great in colder weather for us Canadians to cycle some heat. When you look at the attention to detail, things like our sconces and lights above the actual island, when you look at the inset LEDs, Montana's always been a coach that has represented a lot of value, but a lot of luxury in their actual builds. And that has been a big driver with them and the base of Montana buyers for years. When you get up into the bathroom, you can see that with the stainless steel sink, the way the countertop is set up, the finishings of the cabinetry, the fiberglass surround, and the special shower sprayers. Very residential style. So Montana has wanted to always make you feel like you're at home, even though you're out on the road. Really nicely appointed bedroom, queen size bed on a slide out. And then of course we have our storage. Now, you know, on my channel, I like to pop things open so you can see, you know, a motion activated light for your wardrobe. We have a couple of shelves here, multiple drawers. And then as you pull this door open, we have more wardrobe, but we're also prepped for washer dryer. And this cabinet is large enough that you can put in a combination, or you could put a stacking washer dryer in to really be set for traveling. Absolutely a beautiful layout, and then that patio is really the piece de resistance that makes this coach very, very different again. So want to say thank you to Keystone Montana for showing us around and giving us a demo of the actual patio. Thank you to you guys, our viewers. Please like and subscribe. Leave us your comments and your thoughts. And I try to respond on all comments. Thank you to you guys. We'll see you soon back at the channel. Take care.